Offset shapes is an incredibly powerful tool in LightBurn that creates a new shape by outlining selected objects in your workspace. You can use it to add borders to text, cut lines around graphics, invert engravings, and create new patterns. It works with any vector graphic, including paths, shapes, and text objects. Use it to offset a single object, multiple objects, or a group of shapes. To use this tool, start by selecting all shapes you'd like to offset. Then, click on the O icon in the Modifiers toolbar, or select Offset Shapes from the Tools menu. This opens a dialog window where you can adjust settings for the offsets, including size, shape, and direction. Adjustments made in the window are updated live, so you can see the resulting shape prior to committing. At the top, the offset distance text box is where you set the amount the new shape will be offset from the original. Adjust this value by typing directly into the text box or clicking on the arrow buttons. If you hover your mouse over the box, you can use the scroll wheel to quickly scrub through values. You can also enter equations or units of measurement here, and LightBurn will calculate the result, or convert the value to the default units you're currently working in. Direction determines which side of the original shapes the new offset shape is created from. Outward offsets away from the original shape, while inward offsets towards the center of the original shapes. Selecting both creates two new offset shapes, one outward and one inward. Corner style controls the appearance of the corners generated in the offset shapes. The options for this are round, bevel, or corner. This is largely a personal preference, depending on your goal for the new shape. Under Options, you'll find a handful of additional settings that you can toggle on or off. Use outer shapes only to ignore any shapes completely contained within another shape when creating the offset, leaving only the outermost border. Select Resulting Objects automatically selects the newly created shapes upon completion of the offset. Delete Original Objects deletes all shapes selected before opening the Offset tool, replacing them with your new shape. Optimize or Simplify Results reduces the number of nodes generated in the new offset shapes, useful for reducing file size of complex objects such as image traces. You won't see the difference in nodes in the offset process, but trust us, it's working. When you're happy with your results, click OK to create the offset or cancel to discard the settings and exit the window. To repeat an offset with the last settings you used, select the shapes you wish to offset, then hold Ctrl or Command while clicking the Offset button. This performs the offset operation using the previous settings, without bringing up the dialog window. Another handy function of the Offset Shapes tool is to fix a broken vector. In this situation, select the graphic and apply an offset with a distance of 0 to generate a new shape with connected lines. Now you know what the Offset Shapes tool is, and how to adjust its settings to customize your output. Be sure to check out our video on inverting a vector graphic for another great application of this tool, and subscribe for more great videos on mastering LightBurn.